The little book, Ethan. Go and take the little book which is open in the hand of the angel which standeth upon the sea and upon the earth. Thou must prophesy again before many peoples, nations, and tongues and kings. And so I did in 1995. I actually ate that little book, which I bought in a second-hand bookstore in Amsterdam. Now, 30 years later, I'm changing into a chosen one. It's important for humanity to see because you hear about it, but you don't see it that often. Listen, we as people of the earth, we're all connected, and we shouldn't fear the final testament. You know, the Old Testament and the New Testament, right? But did you read the final testament? Probably not. That's why they scared you with these brainwashed suicide bombers and these radical youths blowing themselves up. You see, the final testament is written for Judgment Day and is adopted especially for us during Judgment Day, which is upon the earth since 1995 already. Amen.